Hello dear friends. Now you will see another selection of coolest products from AliExpress and Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Sit back and watch this video until the end. Let's go! AliExpert, your save money assistant for AliExpress and Amazon. Using AliExpert, you will be able to conveniently see the seller's rating and price history right on the page of the item you're interested in. Install it with 2 clicks. Click the link in the video description and then press the Add to Chrome button. Then click the Add Extension button once more. Done. Go to AliExpress. Open the product you're interested in. All clear at a glance. The seller's rating will provide detailed information on whether you can trust this seller and why. By tracking the price dynamics, you can see how the price of the product has changed. Is the current price genuinely the lowest, or should you wait? And is there any artificial discount? The extension is completely free and easy to use. AliExpert, your save money assistant for AliExpress and Amazon. Thank you for watching this video until the end. You will find all the links to the products in the description below this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, and see you next time. Bye bye.